Soundstripe.
What you up to today, Risky?
Today we're going to be doing some new stripes on the Mustang. So the old one's a bit sun damaged, and we've got a wedding coming up this weekend. So new stripes, new look, and should be good.
Well, this is obviously not the Mustang, so what are you doing here?
So this is the XB. It's a Futura. We put a V8 in it. It's got a 600 Holy on it, vacuum secondaries, big MSD, and yeah, we'll get this going and we'll bring the Mustang in here. So,
That's some exciting looking wiring you've done down there.
yeah, we had that done by a friend of ours. He replaced all the old style wiring with a new fuse box, and
It's like you got a relay for everything that works on it.
and new relays for everything. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's the way it should have been from the factory. So it has been started in about 4 months. So we'll see how she goes. Get her to crank over.
What's that hat you're wearing? What's the emblem on that?
Oh, this is from our new sponsors, which is Standard Squeeze. So they do bottles and that for your alcohol, and yeah, you squeeze the bottle and it'll do a measurement for you. So they're a good thing for.
Is there a website they can go to have a look at?
Yeah, if you go to standardsqueeze.com.au, yeah, you'll find
All their gear.
their gear. So they've got a nice pack you can buy, which comes with hats and a beanie, a little cup, and yeah, 4 different bottles, 2 1 litres, 650ml and a 300ml. So it's good for if you're on the go, travelling. You don't have to take your glass bottles with you, glass spirit bottles, and yeah, so it's a good thing for keeping track of what you're drinking too. So you can pour out one standard drink, and you can keep track of that. So you don't have,
Responsible serving of alcohol.
yeah, that's right. You don't get caught drink driving.
Yeah.
Give this a go.
So how long have you had this XB, Risky?
I've had this XB since I was 13. So what's that?
So it's over 20 years.
24 years, something like that.
Original black interior?
Yep, black interior, polar white B.
Better get some of that famous start, you bastard, in it. Got a bit of a crack to it. You probably won't hear it on camera.
Yeah, so we've got like an XY GT style exhaust. So it's 2 1/4 down to 2 inch over the diff. So that's what gives it that crack.
You look a bit sunburned, mate. What's going on?
Yeah, I've just been at Bathurst, and she was stinking hot on the Saturday, and then Sunday it ended up pouring down with rain. So yeah, we got both burnt and drenched.
You got extractors on this thing.
Yep, just says tri-wires on it.
What are they?
Tri-wires.
Tri-wires.
Yeah, Genie tractors.
XB, I mean.
XB is probably the best thing we can do.
Yeah. Might have to give it a bit of a clean up to go up to Bright.
Yeah, yep.
I think it was the 7th to the 11th, is it? Or 7th to
7th to the 9th.
7th to the 9th. Righto. What do you got here, Resky?
This is my 2018 Mustang GT, 5 litre, 10 speed automatic.
Coyote?
Coyote, love it.
So it needs a bit of a wash. What are you doing to it today?
Doing the stripes.
New stripes. Sure the Victorian constabulary likes this vehicle.
Yeah, they love it.
We'll try and get over in front of the garage here.
Show you under the bonnet.
Didn't the American swap over the bonnet release?
No, bonnet release and the handbrake are on the wrong side.
Jesus.
You got a 5 litre.
You can't see much. Not much room in there.
Such a big engine.
Oh, it runs very smoothly. So,
Yeah, I've had it down to 7.6 litres per 100 on the run. So, and at worst it does 30 litres per 100. So, yeah, join us today while we have a go at changing these stripes out.
now what do these stripes represent?
What do you mean?
Oh,
The gold and black.
well, the gold and black, and where did they originate from?
Well, originally the stripes are Shelby stripes. Shelby was the first one to put them over the top of his cars, the Cobras. And the race cars were the... he made the Mustang, the GT 350, and then the GT 500. And the gold and black is like the Hertz Renter Racer cars.
What's a Renter Racer?
Well, Carol Shelby made, I think it was 300 Hertz Renter Racers. So Hertz was, their colours were black and gold.
But Hertz is a hire company.
Yeah, so you could hire a race car, take it to the track, and go and win some races with it. So,
have you had this one down the track yet?
No, I haven't had this one at the track yet, so you'll have to join us when we finally do get it down there. Thinking about doing some roll racing with it.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, we'll change these stripes out with some nicer looking ones, and
yeah. Got the Recaro seats. Now what's that? There's a switch on there. It says mode. Where is it? Just there.
yeah, so the mode switch changes the your sports modes and stuff. So
Well, what modes have you got?
standard, sports, sports plus. There's a wet mode. There's drag race mode, and there's a race mode.
Oh.
So the car's that smart. It changes the suspension, changes shift patterns. Yeah.
You change the exhaust
And
tone?
it changes the exhaust note too. So it's got a lot of technology in it, and it's one of the best cars Ford's ever made, I reckon.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, well, she looks pretty good.
yeah,
Alright, well, we better get to work.
but yeah,
Get to work on it and see what happens.
good to work.